Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you Canon G3010 printer print quality problem, how to fix. Okay, please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Okay, see on screen, press setting button and then press black button for nozzle check print. Please wait, print is coming. It's take a time. Okay, print is coming, please wait. Okay, print is come. You see print quality is not good, black color is not good. Open cover. Okay, open refilling tank cover. Don't forget to open refilling cover because this is important step. Okay, slide this. Press this button and open carriage unit. Remove black cartridge or head from printer. You see this is black cartridge, model is PH7. Open new cartridge box. You see here model is BH7. Okay, this is Canon original cartridge. This cartridge support G1010, G2010, G3010, G4010. Okay, remove this sticker. Remove nozzle side sticker. Okay, inside this head in carriage unit and close carriage unit. Okay, close refilling tank cover, close printer cover. Okay, press power button to power on printer. Insert paper in printer. Okay, press setting button and then press black button for nozzle check print. Please wait, print is coming. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Print is come. You see nozzle check print is good, black color also good. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.